Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. It is September the 18th, 2019, and it is Red Wiggler Wednesday. And I know everybody is excited to see the worm cups, our bait cups, but like usual, we're going to go ahead and start out with the Worm Factory 360. See how they've been doing on this food in this upper tray. See how many have moved up in here. Oh yeah, we got worms. You got worms, I got worms. If you don't got worms, you need to get some worms. Bunch of red wigglers up in there. Oh yeah, they have moved up. Quite a few. I'll go ahead and mix this up a little bit. Got a little smell to it, but I'm sure that's just the food we put in there. Nothing too bad, but this shredded paper and stuff that was on the outside is a little dry, so here's what's left of that banana. Got some worms up inside there. Got the stems. Alright, let's see what is down below in the second tray. Alright, second tray. Looking good. Looking like a lot of castings. Not a whole lot of shredded paper left. Just a little bit here and there, seeing a few worms. Alright, let's check out that bottom tray. And the bottom tray, the third tray, actually, looking at it, looks like it's got more cardboard in it than the middle tray. More shreds. And it's got more worms as well. I think I will go ahead and set up a new tray, even though that top tray is fairly new, but these bottom two trays are getting pretty much worked through. I think I'll wait till next week. Just a few worms in there, here and there, and just a couple on the worm ladder. It is dry down in the bottom. Put back together. And the top tray here, I'm going to go ahead and cover up those banana pieces. But that tray is almost full, not quite, so that's what's left of some mustard greens. And they have been frozen. We didn't really like those that much. First time we had tried the mustard greens, we ate about half of them. Wasn't our favorite. We got some ground up crushed oyster shell. I'm going to sprinkle on top of that. Pretty good, pretty liberal. I did have somebody in yesterday's European Nightcrawler video ask me what the crushed oyster shell was for. And that is for grit and also calcium to help reproduction. Now this I'm putting on top is mainly shredded up cardboard and paper. That just a little bit of peat moss to help hold in the moisture that I mixed up. I'm just going to cover that up pretty good. That'll help add some moisture and some bedding, help cover up that new food. And that is going to pretty much fill up this top tray. So here is the bin that I just got that out of. I've had it sitting and soaking for about a week. And this is the, I think, 46 quart tote, and it's probably about a quarter of the way full. Alright, here's our bin we're trying to bait out. Got a few worms stuck to the top there. I'm going to go ahead and put that over here. And if you watched last Wednesday, these bait cups were completely full. So let's see what we got. Quite a few worms around the outside. Not too many hanging out of the holes like usual. Might have done ate all the food and got out of there. Fixing to find out. Alright. Yeah, there's a handful of worms. Quite a few. That's pretty much all castings now. Got some cucumber seeds because it was slices of cucumbers. If you want to see what we put in there, check out last week's video. Alright, now we'll go on to this cup here. Same thing, got quite a few worms around the outside. That cup's well over halfway gone. I see a bunch of red mites right there on top. I guess we'll go ahead and dump them in here. Well, yeah, they won't hurt nothing. There we go. Same thing here. Cucumber's pretty much gone. All that's left is a bunch of seeds. And we got a bunch of worms. Cucumber seeds and skin is all that's left. Bunch of seeds. But if they do sprout, they'll just get eaten. Look at all them worms. Tell me that's not a great way to get the worms out. Bait them out. And cup number 3. It's probably the most full out of the 3, but they all had cucumbers. Alright, let's see here. There we go. That might be our thumbnail right there. Get some focus. There's a lot of worms right there. So the cup that had the most left in it probably has the most worms. Wish that would focus for me. Thank you. Nice. That's all that's left of that cucumber is the skin. They have eaten it up. So these are now in their new home. I'm going to go ahead and bury them up a little bit. And let's see how many we got left in here. Because I'm saying we're going to probably have to bait it again. Look at all them worms. Yeah. Yep, we're going to have to bait her up again. And it is muddy. I did spray it down with water. It was wet, but I think they like it. I think they like the moisture. Oh yeah, it's still full of worms. There's a piece of banana left. I think I'll go ahead and toss that over here. And it's got worms on it too, so help bait them out. Oh yeah. Shoot, there's a ton of worms. We didn't even put a dent in the amount of worms in here. That almost looks like a African. How'd you get in there, buddy? Sure enough. I'm telling you, them Africans come out of nowhere. Got a spot for you. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this up. There's a bunch of worms in here. It is muddy, but it's pretty much all castings. So we're going to have to keep baiting these bad boys out. Oh yeah, a ton of worms. So it's been a year and 7 weeks. And we have a bunch of red wigglers. I mean a bunch. And look how, I know I've said it before, but the size of these compared to the ones in the worm factory, it's just crazy how much bigger they are. Oh yeah, look at that. That might. Yeah, we're gonna have to bait this again. I'm not gonna do that on camera. I'm sure this video is already getting long. We're gonna have to bait these out, and I'm not gonna add any more moisture because there is plenty. Just look at all them worms. If it'll focus good. A little potato, throw that over there. So I'll bait these out and we'll see what kind of bait cups we get again for next week. Little bonus clip for those that stuck around the whole video. These are strawberry plants. They were actually runners that were coming out of my strawberry patch. And this is the bin that I had the which worms reproduce the best red wigglers in. And those are still in there. Look at that. There's a good little ball of worms. I actually put some canned corn in there for them. Might be a good thumbnail as well. But there's the strawberry plants. If you haven't seen the which worms reproduce the best experiment, that is what this bin is. I ended up dumping the rest. The Europeans and Africans, but I went ahead and left these reds in here since we got more reds than anything. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.